Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Pisces water sign, and this reading is for the month of September 1st to September 10th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is about your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. So let's see Pisces, your person current feelings from September 1st to September 10th. Three of Pentacles, the Star, Knight of Swords. Yeah, your person still hope for this connection. If you are not in contact, if you are in contact, they are hoping this to take this connection to next level. Three of Pentacles, they want to work on this relationship. You both already known, you both could be colleagues also. Yeah, they want to communicate. And Knight of Swords, they are very rushed towards you, their feelings. So let's clarify Three of Pentacles. Yeah, Page of Cups, communication. Your person want to communicate you. Yeah, King of Wands. Your person stand by their power. Your person could be Sagittarius, Aries, Leo. Lot of passion is there between both of you. Yeah, Four of Swords. I think this card is also got Sagittarius reading also. Yeah, your person thinking about you a lot. They are in resting mode, not in action mode. But they will take action. But right now they are Page of Swords and Knight of Swords with Four of Swords. Definitely they want to take action, but they are thinking about you a lot. So let's see their actions towards you in the near future. Pisces, your person near future actions towards you. Yeah, Ace of Wands, they want new beginning, brand new beginnings with you. Judgment, reconciliation for those who are in separation. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles, they want to share their love and happiness and everything to you, with you. Yeah, definitely they want new beginning. So let's clarify Ace of Wands. The Magician, yeah, they are manifesting you. They are in manifesting energy right now. What they want, that will manifest. So, wow, Six of Cups. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection. Clarific Emperor. Yes, I think your person is very committed in this relationship. I think the person is one who investing in this connection more. King of Pentacles with the Emperor and Judgment with Six of Cups. Reconciliation. Those who are in separation, definitely they will go. There will be a chance for reconciliation. Yes, communication. Ace of Wands. Yeah, your person will communicate you, and they want reconciliation with you. Their near future action, definitely they will approach and they will ask second chance. So let's see your connection. Three cards from the universe, where your connection is headed. By strength. Wow, your connection getting strength. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Two of Pentacles, the Moon. I think you both are juggling in this relationship. I think one person is very honest in this connection, but one person not. And one person in this connection could be Pisces. Obviously it's you. So one person is hide something from the other person. I think there is strength in this connection. As much as there is some weak moments are also in this connection. So strength is there, weakness is there. So you have to balance these things. Yeah, Two of Pentacles juggling. Then when you balance, definitely there will be a strength in this connection. Yeah, Three of Wands, waiting, reconciliation. Definitely there will be a reconciliation. Yeah, Death. Your connection undergoes some transformation. Definitely it is going to be strength. So definitely reconciliation is happened between both of you. A person will come towards you and initiate some contact, and there will be a chance for reconciliation. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.